and queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to my channel because you didn't have to. Thank you for your time or whatever. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do like the content here, little baby, you can get into it. Okay, and if you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and click that subscribe button down below. Okay, y'all, so we are doing my monthly budget for March, and guys, can you believe we're already in March? Wow, that is crazy. But before we go into our video, you know we gotta do our shout outs. So the first shout out for this video is Beautiful Budgets. Okay, if you don't know her, get to know her. If you haven't seen her, click on her channel. You know, all of that. So get into sis. And then my second shout out for the video, not four, but two. My second shout out for the video is Budget with Erica, okay? Sis is Canadian. She is trying to get her life together just like the rest of us because, as I like to say, budgeting is ghetto. So get into her support. Go ahead, you know, enjoy and, you know, support the budgeting community. So guys, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is my layout for my March budget, guys, and ooh, let's talk about it, okay? So y'all, like I said, this is a whole new setup for little baby. Listen, okay, she had income, giving, expenses, envelopes, then the monthly setup down here, then she had savings and total savings, and she had extra debt, total debt. Basically, this is a 2 spreadsheet outline, but I only use 1 spreadsheet for my overview of my budget. I don't do 2 pages for my overview of my budget. I only use 1. So I had to finesse this to work for me. Okay, so let me make sure y'all in frame. Yes, you are. So for the month of March, what with my regular income, what I expect is my normal. Well, I don't know if it's a normal or not, but I expect to make, I can go up, I think. Let's go up. So I expect to make $50 to $100 this month, right? That's what I plan. My unexpected, I never expect to get any extra money because this is just my normal paycheck. So let me get y'all off the table a little bit because y'all keep shaking. So I never expect to get more than what my regular pay is because I don't have a side income currently. That will be changing once I get back to the States or getting my life together with my business situation. So regular pay, I'm expecting $50 to $100 this month, nothing unexpected. So that will leave me with a total of $5,200, okay? Now, if you haven't been here before, this is your first time, tithing always gets 10% of my income. So they are getting $520 because that is 10%. And so that is $520 here, and that is under giving. Now this is where, you know, the real money situation goes. So of the $5,200, $520 is gone. So now $4,680 to work with. Hopefully y'all have seen that. $4,680 to work with. So rent is a normal of $1,350. Electricity is normal is $180. Gas is normal is $20. But the way gas been moving and shaking, I think I want to increase her. So $1,350 plus $180, that's what, 14, 8 and 5 is what, 13, y'all? I think I want to do $30. Let's do $30 for gas because, ooh, child. Emergency fund and USAA. Emergency fund gets a normal $300. USAA gets $5. So I'm going to give it $305. Insurance normally gets $26. Netflix normally gets Netflix normally gets $12, but guys, Canva is a new website that I'm using, and I don't remember how much it is per month. I think it's like $12.99. Okay, y'all, so Canva is $12.99, so basically $13. So Netflix is $12, Canva is $13, so that means that is $25. Apple Music gets its normal $15. Phone bill is getting $70. And then Merrick, my dad, we're changing him up. So normally he gets $100 for the month, right? There's some things that he wants. I've already talked to him about it. Like, I've already, like, you know, thought about the budget and how to basically send him, how much to send him. So normally he gets $100, right? Then after calculations, I think there was, I think the total thing came up to $250. So with his normal $100 that he gets, I'm gonna add an additional $150 to give him a total of $250. And then I'm budgeted. I never plan anything. Well, ooh. No, this is the monthly overview. This is the monthly overview. So I never plan anything for unbudgeted, because unbudgeted are things, unbudgeted are our mini emergencies. So this is like my on-hand emergency, which is normally $200. I don't plan for there to be emergencies throughout the month, but of course, if it does happen, then you know, shit happens. Here we are. So let's add all of these up together. So it's $13.50. Ooh, $13.50 plus 180 plus 30 plus 305 plus 26 plus 25 plus 15 plus 70 plus 250. So it's 2,251. Okay, I don't know why my pen is acting up on camera, because it always be acting up on camera. You better calm down. Okay, and that is what is planned. So what is it? 5,200 minus 520 minus 2,251 leaves me with 2,000. Damn. Hold up. Ooh, I was a little, whoo, I'm a little, you know, yeah, it's a little, whoo, wow, damn. But no, that leaves me with, wow, 2,000, really? Damn, okay. $2,429 to work with for my envelopes. You guys know most of this money goes towards my sinking funds. So how much do I want to put towards it? So I know allowance alone is going to get $200. So I think for cash envelopes, I'm going to do 600. I'm going to do 600 for cash envelopes. So minus 600, and then I'm going to do $1,829 for sinking funds. So that gave me a total of $2,429. So down here, you would put out your information as well. So you would list out all of them going all the way across. So my planned income for the month is $5,200. My giving is gonna be $520. My expenses, I plan to be $2,251. Savings is not on here. Envelopes, I plan to have $2,429. And then I do not have debt, so I don't have any of those. So this should equal to 0 minus the 520 minus the 2251 minus the 2429. Boom. So that's equal to 0, and that, guys, is my March budget. Now she does have a mid-month, and I don't know if y'all gonna get this mid-month. I don't know if y'all gonna get it for real. Like, ma'am, we're not sure. But I don't think y'all gonna be getting this mid-month, but when I am closing out, I will give y'all an overview and update mid-month for you guys. So yeah. But anyways, guys, that is the end of my March budget. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or foe. And also, guys, if you do enjoy the content here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, my name is AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.